way his mom doesn't even know what the fuck he's saying.
I know, she's crying.
Yeah. Bro, we get so
What are we doing, Juan? What are we doing to your car today, man?
We're gonna install some rims and tires, some AMR wheels.
Some wheels?
Some wheels.
We're at Target. We're at Target getting some light bulbs because it's dark outside.
That lady was looking at you like,
don't mind me, lady.
something?
Yeah, fuck it.
I guess you can keep them at the end.
Nah, you can keep them if you want.
I don't want them. I don't want lights.
You don't want new bulbs for your room or something?
No, I'm moving.
So you take them with you?
You can have them. That way you can make
Come on, Juan. Come on, Juan. Come on, Juan. LEDs. You wanna see those new wheels, nice and.
Hey, I'm about to go see my girl.
That's too sick, dude.
It's the best thing ever. Now we can hang out and shit.
We out here.
What?
What are we doing, Ivan?
Putting Juan's new wheels on
We had to go to Target and get some lights because my garage is black, dude. There's no lights or anything. Everything came out. These are the AMRs, one? What are the front tires?
20s by 8.5. 255s.
255s and then 285s in the back.
285s by 20
and if you didn't hear in the clip, the opening clip, it's a 5.0 because Juan's a V8 mamon. Yeah. He didn't choose the V8 life, the V8 life chose him.
Actually, no, he came from a V6. Like he just said.
I came from a V8, went to a V6.
Oh yeah, shoot, the white one, right?
What are you doing?
What's your V8 from? You gotta
Just taking them.
You can upgrade it.
That one, let me go check on the house by that jet. I remember where they put it. Like, it can help a lot. It's better. It's the ones that you go like that, not like.
Oh yeah, because we're using that cheap little the Ford Given jack then.
Black.
Huh?
Should paint those black.
Or red?
My car's not even red, wait.
Yeah, but you've never seen cars with red ones?
Yeah, but it's like your car's fucking gray. You're gonna put red.
That's why you put red accents.
Honestly, that'd be pretty sick if you did like a matte black stripes in the middle with the red accent on the edge. It wouldn't be popping out like we saw.
You'll need a look.
There's one.
Out of 4.
How many guys does it take to put on a tire? Ivan.
Fucking 3. It looks like 3, man.
Looks sick, dude. That's just one.
I don't even want to do it. That's just fucking hot in here too, bro.
No, you won't.
So somebody go.
Can I get the honors of moving the Thunderbird?
Go ahead. The slow bird.
What do you?
Hey, yay.
He's like
Oh,
the
wait,
slow bird.
Never mind. I was gonna say.
He's like the slow bird.
All right, getting roasted.
Oh fuck! And I got that on film.
You did?
Yeah. What do you think so far? We did one side so far, or you guys did one side. I was just watching.
You didn't do shit. You can't do
Yeah, I was about to say.
That's what I said. I'm just here watching.
It's alright.
Hey, I'm helping you using my jack stand.
Shoot, give me your water bottle.
Yeah, I'll give you water. If you want to be a douchebag, I'll take my stand back and you finish it somewhere else.
The water and dump it on the floor too.
What do you think so far? What you think?
Honestly, that shit's beautiful, man. You can never go wrong with black.
It's true.
You can never go wrong.
They're too sick, dude.
Now that I see it, I do have to lower it. There's a pretty big gap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's because they're different types from yours.
Put that hand in there, boy. Ooh.
I hate my car.
What size are those that you have, man? The other ones?
Which one's those?
Old ones. 19?
What are the tires in those stock ones?
Yeah. 255.
255?
Sell those for?
Everything? 800, bro. That's what I'm selling that for.
800?
Yeah, I mean,
What about just the rims? Yeah.
Cause I don't know what the fuck. I need to sell both of them together.
No, yeah. I'll let my dad know. Cause if I paint these black,
Yeah, see, I was gonna do that shit, but I was like,
I'll probably, if I do them, I'll probably powder coat them.
yeah, that's what I was gonna do. The guy was gonna charge me 200.
I'll fix it right now. Pass. There you go. What big hits our colors?
Oh, it's raining.
No! Where are my keys? I need to close the windows.
More. You're close, you just need to... What was happening?
I cracked open my cat.
Did you see Hank's new uniform? Big Pappy, remember?
Bro, that was so scary.
Oh, bro.
I wish I caught it on film, dude.
Bro, that shit was so scary.
Oh my god. So he dropped like the car and this whole panel popped out. Nah, but you're good, it's just clips.
Yeah, see? It's already in place.
Alright, cool. Alright, just put it where it goes, please.
Nada más hay un clip que no quiere. Well, I'm not imagining it. Alright, let me put this in the right spot again. Back to the shop, boy. Boy, out of my pocket.
Oh my god.
I have a fucking towel because I'm fucking sweating down here.
Oh my god. I got my towels to wash my car.
I'm down.
Oh my god, dude, that was so
Why am I
scary.
raising you?
That was scary though, dude.
Yeah, you know,
The whole panel popped out, man.
Probably not straight, but.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's just clips. What if that happened without the wheel on?
Oh, dude, no. I'd be so done.
is that good?
Dude, that would have been so bad.
He would have ended me right here.
Dude, that would have been so bad. Oh my god.
How did you know? It's your car, bro.
Oh, dude, that's scary. Be careful.
My cap's still there.
He just got it today, dude.
Dude.
Oh
Be careful this
God,
time.
dude.
The car literally just dropped.
Hurry, wait. You have in the right spot?
Yeah. It was in the right spot at first, but
What did you?
it slipped. That's why you don't use these most of the time.
Yeah, this is just for emergencies. For like if you're, it's just for like the
That's why I
change.
said we have to do it quick. Because I think I put it like a little bit on the edge, so it slipped. And that's why everything came out.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man. But it looks sick, dude.
I mean, we wouldn't have to do this. It wouldn't have happened if you tied it in that first place.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
you gotta see if it is.
Juan just got his car back today from the shop because he got hit by some girl, and he thought that it was gonna go back today, the same day he got it back.
Go.
I'm sorry, bro. Oh shit.
It's gonna happen again. Watch.
This is plastic. Oh, this. You hit that because that's why you have to protect it.
Bye, Ivan. Have a nice night.
I wish you would have fucking like.
Wow.
I wish you would like spin over and fucking hit the side.
It's that car.
Get the sidewalk or something.
Dude, what do you think? How'd your wheels come out?
Honestly, bro, it's fucking nice.
This too dope.
It just makes the whole car
Like,
completely different.
Dude, your car's sick. And then the exhaust, man. I want to make a video on it. Like the sound. I revved it, dude. I revved it to like, I swear I revved it to like 2,000. That shit was already screaming.
That shit almost fucked up my ears. I thought you went to like 4.
Nah. They come out sick, dude. That's too sick. And then that's the GT350 spoiler?
Yeah, that's it. Color matched it up.
Yeah.
Looks pretty dope.
That's sick, man. That's sick. Were you scared that Ivan dropped your car?
Fuck yeah, bro. Got my shit, bro. I was like, fuck, another month in the shop. I don't want to drive it first anymore.
That's too sick. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video of us just, I don't know, it's just us messing around and just hanging out. That's my buddy Juan. He has a 16 or 17 5.0 with the Corsa Extreme, and he just bought the, what are they? The AMR? AMR, why am I going? I just had a brain fire. I think they're the AMR, that's what they're called. Wheels off American Muscle. 285s on the back, 255s in the front, and damn, that car looks too sick. And he has the GT350 spoiler on it also. And Juan, your car's so badass. I'm fucking jealous, dude. But anyways, guys, I'll leave my friends' Instagrams in the description below, and you know mine will always be in the description as well. If you want to keep up with the pony, I got some mods coming very soon. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of Juan's car with his new wheels and his exhaust. I know that thing's fucking badass. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.